me again at Tapping to Plumbers. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stop a dripping tap. Very annoying, you know, you've got that, it's like Chinese torture, that's what they say, don't they? You know, it's constantly dripping in the background, you can hear it all day long. So yeah, we're going to be showing you today how to rectify that. First, always switch the water off. Okay, right, now that the water's off, just make sure that it is. Yeah, that's slowing down, so just draining off whatever's in the pipe work. Right, whilst that's doing that, what we can do is get a nail underneath here and pop that off. I've got a little screw there that we need to get off. And grab my screwdriver. Should do it. Just do draining off. Okay, and this should pop off. Just as easy as that. It's not always that easy, let me tell you that though. Right, the next thing I need to do is try and get that little valve out of this base. Right, okay, it's still dripping a little bit, but that's pretty much safe to actually take off now. You're only going to get a little bit amount of water coming out, as you can see. So it's just literally out with the old and in with the new. Tighten it up. Spanner back on now, and then literally just tighten it back up. Just like so. And that's pretty much it, and you do the reverse of what you did before. So pop your head back on, put the screw back in, screw back in, and then pop your plate back on there, and do exactly the same on the other one. And that's it, guys. Right, guys, I'm going to swap this over as this one's leaking as well, so I might as well do both. I've already done this side, so I'm just going to undo this one. If you're wondering what is running in the background, that is the hot tap. Just do draining off because it's quite a big house, so just draining off whatever's in the pipe work. But on the cold side, we should be good. So I'm just going to undo that here like that. See? A little bit of water coming out there now. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to change these whole full turn heads and valves together. Put that in there like so. Very easy and simple job to do. Up, pop the head back on, move you over a bit so you can see what I'm doing. There's a little screw in there, so just quickly nip that screw up, pop the head back on, and that's it, job's a good one. Shut that off. You shouldn't have any more dripping tap. You can't see what I'm doing right now, but it's exactly the same process for the hot as it is for the cold. And that's it. All done. A simple little job to do. This is one of the easiest jobs to do of plumbing, so give it a go. See how you get on. So don't forget to subscribe and like or even dislike my video, but leave a comment below as well if you need any advice or anything like that. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.